Hi and welcome. My name is Alicia, and today we talk about anti-aging. There's something happening to your skin right now, making you age faster than you should be. And 90% of women over 35 have no clue it's happening. This video reveals the truth about aging perfect in a natural way. Please listen to me well. There's something happening to your skin right now that's making you age faster than you should be. And 90% of women over 35 have no clue it's happening. You guys, I'm about to tell you something that will completely change how you think about aging. And honestly, it's going to make you angry. While you've been spending hundreds of dollars on anti-aging creams and serums, thinking you're doing everything right, there's a hidden process accelerating your aging by years. I recently had a client, Sarah, who's 42 and religiously followed every skincare routine she could find online. She had drawers full of expensive products, did everything the beauty influencers told her to do. But when she looked in the mirror, she was horrified. Her skin looked older, not younger. The wrinkles were deeper, the texture was worse, and she felt like she was fighting a losing battle. Here's what nobody is telling you. And trust me, the beauty industry doesn't want you to know this because it would destroy their billion-dollar empire. The very thing you think is helping your skin might actually be the reason you're aging faster than your grandmother did. This isn't about genetics, and it's not about expensive treatments. This is about something much more fundamental that's been hiding in plain sight. Let me ask you something, and I want you to be brutally honest with yourself. How many products are you slathering on your face every single day? How many different acids, retinoids, and miracle ingredients are you layering on your skin? You guys, I see this every single day, and it breaks my heart. Women in their 40s and 50s who have turned their faces into chemistry experiments, thinking more is better. You're exfoliating every night, using 3 different serums, wondering why your skin barrier is completely destroyed. Here's the confronting truth. You're not aging because you're not doing enough. You're aging because you're doing way too much. And you're creating a cycle of damage that's impossible to reverse with more products. Sarah told me she was using glycolic acid, salicylic acid, retinol, and vitamin C, all in the same routine. Her skin was red, irritated, and looked 10 years older than it should have. She was literally burning off her protective barrier and then wondering why she looked tired and aged. But here's what really made me angry for her. Her dermatologist and beauty guru told her this was normal. They said her skin needed to adjust and that the irritation was a sign the products were working. It's absolute nonsense. And it's destroying women's confidence and their skin. The real kicker. This overtreatment is triggering something in your body that accelerates aging at the cellular level. And no amount of expensive creams can fix it once it starts. You want to know why the beauty industry keeps pushing more and more aggressive treatments? Because they need you to believe that aging is your enemy and that you need to wage war against your own skin. Let me tell you something that will shock you. Most anti-aging products on the market today are designed to create dependency, not results. They strip away your skin's natural protection, create inflammation, and then sell you more products to fix the problems they created. I had another client, Maria, who spent over $3,000 in 1 year on skincare products. $3,000. And her skin looked worse than when she started. She was trapped in this cycle of buying the next revolutionary ingredient, hoping this would be the one that finally worked. The truth is, these companies profit from your insecurity and your desperation. They create problems and then sell you solutions. They tell you that your natural aging process is something to be ashamed of, something to fight against with harsh chemicals and expensive procedures. But here's what they don't want you to know. Your skin has an incredible ability to repair and regenerate itself naturally. It's been doing it for thousands of years. The problem isn't that you're aging. The problem is that modern skincare is interfering with your skin's natural processes and actually accelerating the damage. Now I'm going to tell you the real science behind what's happening to your skin. and why everything you've been told is wrong. Your skin cells naturally turn over every 28 days when you're young. But as you age, this process slows down, and dead skin cells start to accumulate. This is completely normal. It's not a disease that needs to be cured with acids and chemicals. But here's where it gets interesting, and this is based on actual research that most people never hear about. When you constantly strip away your skin with harsh exfoliants and aggressive treatments, you're not speeding up cell turnover. You're actually damaging the cellular communication system that tells your skin how to repair itself. There's fascinating research showing that over-exfoliated skin produces more inflammatory compounds, which directly break down collagen and elastin. You're literally creating the wrinkles and sagging you're trying to prevent. Even more shocking, there's a hidden factor that's accelerating aging in women over 35s that has nothing to do with skincare products. It's called cellular oxidative stress, and it's triggered by iron accumulation in your tissues. As we age, we naturally accumulate more iron in our cells. And this iron creates free radicals that damage your DNA, your cell membranes, and your mitochondria, the powerhouses of your cells. This is why some people age gracefully, while others seem to age overnight, even with identical skincare routines. The beauty industry completely ignores this because they can't patent natural solutions. They can't make money from telling you to support your body's natural antioxidant systems. But this cellular damage is the real cause of premature aging, and no amount of expensive serums can fix it from the outside. Here's what changed everything for Sarah, Maria, and hundreds of other clients. And it's so simple you're going to think I'm crazy. Instead of fighting against your skin's natural processes, we need to support them. Instead of stripping and damaging your protective barrier, we need to nourish it. And instead of ignoring the cellular damage happening inside your body, we need to address it naturally. The ultimate anti-aging solution isn't a product you buy. It's a system that works with your body's incredible healing abilities. First, we need to stop the oxidative damage that's aging you from the inside out. This means supporting your body's natural antioxidant production with the right nutrients. Your body makes antioxidants that are far more powerful than anything you can get from a cream. But it needs the right building blocks. The most important thing, high-quality protein. Your internal antioxidant system is made of proteins, and if you're not getting enough, your cells can't protect themselves from damage. This is why I never recommend vegan diets for women over 35 who are concerned about aging. You also need specific trace minerals like copper, zinc, and selenium that help your body produce its own anti-aging compounds. These come from foods like shellfish, organ meats, and certain nuts and seeds. But here's the game-changing part. We can create incredibly powerful topical treatments using simple, natural ingredients that actually support your skin's repair processes instead of damaging them. I'm talking about ingredients like vitamin-rich carrot extract, which provides natural vitamin A without the irritation of synthetic retinoids. Orange peel oils that stimulate collagen production naturally. And anti-inflammatory compounds from herbs that calm your skin instead of inflaming it. When Sarah switched to this approach, her skin transformation was incredible. Within 6 weeks, the redness was gone. Her texture improved dramatically. And people started commenting on how much younger she looked. Let me walk you through exactly how to implement this natural anti-aging system step by step. Step 1. Eliminate the damage. Stop using multiple acids, harsh scrubs, and irritating treatments. Your skin needs time to repair its protective barrier. For most women, this takes about 4 to 6 weeks. Step 2. Support your internal antioxidant system. Focus on getting high-quality protein at every meal. Think grass-fed meat, wild-caught fish, or organic eggs. Add in copper-rich foods like dark chocolate and sunflower seeds. Your body will start producing more powerful antioxidants within days. Step 3. Create your natural anti-aging treatment. You can make an incredibly effective serum using grated carrot, orange zest, and bay leaves infused in high-quality olive oil. These ingredients provide natural vitamins, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that actually support your skin's repair processes. The preparation is simple. Grate 1 organic carrot and the zest of 1 orange. Add to bay leaves, cover with olive oil, and gently warm using a double boiler for 20 minutes. Strain the oil and store it in the refrigerator. Use this oil every night after cleansing and save the pulp for a weekly exfoliating mask. The results are remarkable because you're working with your skin's natural processes, not against them. Step 4. Be patient and consistent. Natural healing takes time, but the results last because you're addressing the root cause of aging. It's not just covering up symptoms. You guys, I know this is completely different from everything you've been told about anti-aging, and I know it might seem too simple to work. But I've seen this transformation happen over and over again. Maria, the client who spent $3,000 on products, now spends less than $50 a year on skincare and looks 10 years younger than she did 2 years ago. Sarah's skin is glowing and she feels confident going makeup-free for the first time in decades. The beautiful thing about this approach is that it gets better with time. Instead of fighting a losing battle against aging, you're supporting your body's natural ability to repair and regenerate. You're not just treating symptoms, you're addressing the root cause. Your skin has been waiting for you to stop attacking it and start nourishing it. Your body has incredible healing abilities that have been suppressed by harsh treatments and poor nutrition. But it's never too late to start supporting these natural processes. Remember, aging gracefully isn't about stopping time. It's about optimizing how your body handles the passage of time. When you work with your body instead of against it, the results are absolutely amazing. If this information has opened your eyes to a completely new way of thinking about anti-aging, please hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more natural skincare secrets that actually work. Your future self will thank you. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, please like and subscribe. Comments are welcome.